So, welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and I got a new product for you here, Ideal Atom. Now, this is a headlight restore, 3 easy step, and you can see a before and an after picture there. It says 2 minutes. I don't know what that means. Could take 2 minutes. Might not. Perfect refinishing with UV protection layer to last longer. Here is the number of this product, and I like how it goes: headlight restoration kit and hassle-free headlight. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to say hassle-free, but hassle-free headlight wipes. Okay, we'll go with that. Here's the back side. Instructions. Before start the cleaning process, feel the headlight to make sure it is not hot. I'm pretty sure it's not hot. If the headlight is hot, cool it down with a little water. Do not start cleaning if the headlights are hot or rough. Those are the instructions, by the way. Those are the instructions. Now, how to use? Rub the headlights, excuse me, well with water and the included sandpaper. Dry the headlights using the included wipe. After making sure that the headlights are fully dry, open the attached envelope and do not change the mop folds. Do not change the mop folds. Wipe over the headlight in horizontal lines. Okay. Done. The front headlights will look new again. Okay. Well, there we go. Do not touch the headlights and avoid exposing them to water and dust for 30 minutes. To speed up drying process, the headlights may be turned on. Do not wash the car for 24 hours. All right, well, let's see what we got in this kit. I know, it's winter time, so I gotta get through this kind of content to keep the channel going through the winter months, plus my oil filters, which I do enjoy doing. So, whoa, she's slippery where my hands are. There we go. I'm just going to do this side of the headlight, though. I marked it with a black piece of electrical tape here. Oh, good. Oh, that's rougher than... Oh, okay. There's the wipe. Oh, here is the protection layer. Let's see what this thing has to say. It does not open. Okay, that's just... It does not open. I read the instructions out. And here, 2 gloves. Okay. These are nice gloves, by the way. Okay. I got a glove on. Now what am I going to do? I am going to turn the headlight this way. Can you still see it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can. And there you go. Something just blew by the window. It's pretty windy out. Sandpaper. Now I'm going to have to... Does it say which one? Oh, that's number... So this one's number 1. Green is number 1. It's rougher. And this is number 2. It's softer. So I'm going to... As you can see, this is already frosted. Pretty good. So I'm going to sand it with the number 1, I believe. And we're going to try to get rid of that... well... It's pretty scratched up. So let's see if we can do that with this headlight. This is going to be my test headlight from going in and out of my headlight kind of like things. I got a couple of these to test, by the way, this winter, so this should be good. There we go. Let me spray. There we go. A sprayer. We're just going to do what I'm supposed to do horizontally. This is horizontal, right? It's been a long time since I've been in school. Very long time. Wow. I I've been out of school longer than I was in school. So yeah, it's been a while. I've been out of school for like, it's going to date me and how old I am. But for about 34, 35 years I've been out of school. So, of course, I could have been a lot older if I graduated, like, you know, who knows? Maybe I graduated when I was older because I wasn't that bright. Well, I'm pretty sure I wasn't that bright. But I graduated at the right time of the ripe old age of 29. Kidding. Yeah. I wonder how good this is doing. You can see it is doing something. So this little block here is doing something. I actually like this little block. It's nice and solid and soft. So it's kind of getting around the curves and everything. So I kind of like it. I sure hope this works out. This is a nice cheap kit. I'll put it down in the comments how much it costs because I forget how much I paid for this. Whew, I gotta use the other hand. Yeah, one hand got tired, one arm's tired. Switch over to the other one. Yeah. This would have been nicer if I had like a little bzzz to do these, or a drill. But it's starting to get pretty smooth. So I'm thinking it's I'm gonna be out of this number 2 here, or on to number 2 in a little bit here. So let me pause it. I'll do it a little bit more and then I'll come back. All right, I am back. And I'm going to wipe her off. I got a yellow rag here. I still see deeper scratches in this headlight. But we're going to see how it is going to look. Hopefully it'll look fine. But you know what? It doesn't look too bad, really. It doesn't look too bad. There is a few scratches that are deeper, but compared to the other side, you can tell this one is pretty frosted now. I think that's what they want, to be pretty frosted. Ooh, smooth too. So, what am I going to do next? I think I'm going to switch to the number 2 on the block and give her a nice good sanding with the number 2. I wish I knew what the number 2 sanding block. Yeah, this is number 2. The grayer color one, that's number 2. And I'm going to give her a spray here. We're going to do that. Looks nice though. This could turn out to be a really nice kit, couldn't it? Feels pretty smooth already. Tape's coming up a bit. But in the end, we'll compare it to the other side and we'll see how well that looks. So give me some time on this side and then we'll come back. So there we go. I've got her quite a bit done on number 2. And I'm going to give her a wipe off here. Take a good look at her. These deeper scratches are still in it, but I didn't expect to get those out. But it, you know, it doesn't look too bad. Give her a good wipe here. And let her dry off completely. And then we'll compare it to the other side. So there we go. There's the one we just did. Yeah, there's still some deeper scratches in it. But I sanded and I sanded and I just can't get those out. So we're going to leave her like that. But compared to this side, yeah, it's pretty foggy on this side. There's a dead fly in there, by the way. This side, not terrible. But we're going to see how good it's going to look after we put on the protective layer. So bear with me for a second and we'll get to that. So let me get the protective layer out of here. And I'm going to leave it. I'm going to do this package back up because I'm going to wipe this on as it told me. And there we go. Now I'm going to leave it. I'm going to do this package back up. I think it's got a couple of headlights still left in it for sure. And we're going to see how well, glad I wore gloves. Glad I wore gloves. We're going to see how well this is going to work. I'm going to leave it now for 30 minutes and then come back to it. Well, there we go. That is it. What a difference. It is very different. That's it. It's pretty clear, except for some of those deep scratches I did put into the plastic before I did this kit. That is the old, what it used to look like, and this is new. Here, let me turn it around here and get a better view of it. So, big difference between the two sides here. Wow. I'm impressed. I am deeply impressed with this. I got another kit to probably show you next week or the week after I'll use on this side. Then we can test them side by side. But this idea, Adam, is worked really good. Like, this is a very simple kit. And yeah, it worked really good. In the meantime, I did check on the price. And this, for me, because I have the Prime and Amazon and all that stuff, this was only $13.44. That is like the cheapest kit you can buy like this to do these things. And I'm shocked at how well that worked. Like, wow. That's the way it did look, and that's the way it is now. It is nice. It's shiny. It did a great job. And if I didn't have any of those deeper scratches in here, like you can probably see, this thing would be very clear. This is a very nice kit. I'd recommend it. It's very simple. Just wear the gloves. This stuff seems kind of, it has a weird smell too. Do it outside. I didn't, but I got good ventilation. So, do this outside. But yes, this is a impressive kit. And yeah, I would totally buy this again to do a few headlights on some vehicles that I have to do. Like, wow. Good job, idea, Adam. All right. Hope you enjoyed watching it. I enjoyed doing it. I always like to see how good these kits are going to work out. And this one looks like it did a great job. Did better than the last kit, I think. I should have used this on that other headlight to go on my car instead of the one I did. But whatever. It still looks great on the car too. But this one just looks way better. All right. Thanks for watching.